This is incredible. 13 out of 20 repositories that are trending on GitHub are related to artificial intelligence. I don't have the time to go through each repository, so let's focus here on just a couple of highlights that you hopefully find as interesting as I do. Our first repository is Exo, a project written in Python that lets you run AI clusters at home using everyday devices. What makes this unique is its ability to combine hardware ranging from iPhones and MacBooks to Linux systems, essentially transforming a collection of ordinary devices into a powerful distributed AI cluster. With Exo, large AI models like LLaMA and Mistral can be run by splitting the model across connected devices dynamically, based on their network and hardware capacity. This is done through a peer-to-peer approach that avoids traditional master worker structures, allowing even heterogeneous setups to work together seamlessly. Chat2DB allows you to interact with your database using AI. You enter your question about your data in natural language, and this tool creates the SQL query for you to deliver the answer. It integrates with a diverse range of databases, from popular ones like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB to niche options like Redis and Snowflake. Chat2DB has even open-sourced a special large language model for creating the SQL statements called Chat2DB SQL7b. By the way, I noted that even models like the older LLaMA 3.1-7b are already able to create SQL queries from simple prompts. But the fact that people are training dedicated models for this highlights that there is a real demand for bridging the gap between queries in natural language and their formalized counterpart. ComfyUI-CogVideoXWrapper lets you turn text descriptions into short videos. It builds on Comfy.UI with the CogVideoX models, letting you create moving images just from a prompt, or from still images along with some pose information. It's demanding in terms of computing power, so you'll need a solid setup to get the best results. But what's cool here is seeing how far open source models have come in making video generation available to anyone. And last but not least, we have Letta. Letta is an open source framework with a business model by a company that has its origins in the Sky Computing Lab at UC Berkeley. The project offers a unique way to create agents which actively manage their own long-term memory and have mechanisms for advanced reasoning. It's designed for developers interested in constructing AI systems that can maintain context over conversations, making interactions more coherent and adaptable over time. With Letta, you can build and run these agents through both a command line interface and an API server. As they point out in their documentation, such systems can probably address use cases like medical assistant being aware of the patient's medical records, or agents monitoring the email inbox with the ability to access a broader context in order to interpret an incoming email. This reminds me so much of the movie Her, in which the operating system itself is essentially a futuristic large language model that is becoming a real friend and partner of the user. What do you think? How far away are we from this movie? Anyway, that's it for today. See you next week. Bye!